Hi there, this is my lock, and this is an Abus 425/45. It's an old German lever lock, 4 lever. Let's give it a pick. So now if we put the tensioner all the way to the back, it just spins. If we have a look at the key, you can see there's a little cut out there. So we have to try and pull the tensioner back just a little bit and get onto focus, get onto this post here. So I think that is us. And we'll use a small pick wire. There we go. So let's just have a look at that. A central bolt. And can I get some light in there? We can see it is 4 levers. So there we go. Lovely little Abus. Now, because that didn't take too long, I'll probably do this as well. I was thinking there maybe I should leave this one for a mini lock Monday. So I'll get that in there, tension it up. Well, let's see. It's a little bit tighter than that keyway. There we go. That's what I got. Yeah, that wouldn't have made a very good mini lock Monday. I think it's just a 2 lever, and where's the key? Yeah, I think it's just the front 2 levers there. So one's very nearly a 0 cut. It's a little bit. No, it's not working. No, there it is. And it's a little bit catchy. But there we go. What's the brand? Not sure what the brand on that one is. Secure 2 lever. Don't know about the secure. Made in England, and it does have a patent number there. Looks like 594270. And no other markings that I can see. There might have been a little badge in here that's fallen off over time. Right, there we go. The Abus is the star of the show there. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one. Cheers.